This machine has 40 inches of X travel, 26 of Y, and 25 of Z. You have a 10,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle with a 20 automatic tool changer, umbrella style. Right now you're running at 2,500 RPM. You cannot hear it. He's going up. That's 6,000 RPM. The machine also comes equipped with wireless intuitive probing system, whips, and we do have the Renishaw probe 9,000. You see the touch probe on the table. We also have the tool probe, part probe. Simulating a tool change. You have telescopic weight covers, all axes. Again, this machine is all original paint. That's your Z. Your Y. And your X. Okay, hey, thank you for watching our video.